Honk your horn! Oh, they're letting us down now. Come on, don't let us down. Now that's on camera, nobody will do it. Come on. Yeah! Come on, people, you can be on YouTube honking your horn. It will be amazing. Don't you want that? No, you don't want that, do you? Do you? Do you? No, that person doesn't.
Are you recording this whole thing?
Yep.
That is so cool.
For right now.
But hey, just so everybody knows, on the walk here, before we started recording, people actually started honking their horns at it, and it's only because of the X-ray gogs. Because they know I can see through them, I can see their thoughts, I know what kind of person they are.
It is.
So don't want me to say bad things about them.
Yeah.
But now everybody's letting us down.
More cars, but they won't do it when they come from that way. It's like, they just don't. No. This person! Come on! Don't let us down, don't let us down! No! We got one horn honk since I put the camera on. Woo! I think the camera scares people. Maybe. Ignoring us, yeah. Come on. No, they don't want to honk their horn. Now there's no cars. We got so many people that honked their horn before that I put on the camera. They just kind of stop. Come on. None of you honk your horn. Hey, dude.
See, I'm popular now.
Hey, dude.
I'm gonna be famous.
I want to see somebody like scream, "Hey, dude, with the glasses!" Ow! Hey, come on, honk your horn.
Assholes! What the hell? It's because you got the camera on.
I know. Man. No cars again.
What?
Gotta wait.
What a disaster!
What a disaster. We got like 3 horn honks.
See this? We need to find Jesus. That's what it is.
We do.
We need to find Jesus!
We need a knife to find him in our...
Is there Jesus in your heart? No.
Man!
That is cool.
It'd be cool to get like fire trucks and cops honking. You're all gonna look like assholes on YouTube because you're not honking.
Oh, because they have a video, it has to be YouTube, huh?
Yep.
Why can't it be like break.com, damn it?
Like, they're gonna be watching and they're gonna be like, hey, that's my car. Oh, look, I didn't honk. I'm such an asshole. Yep, you're an asshole. Come on. Hey, you're awesome!
Thank you! Oh, damn it, I spoke. I'm supposed to be a mime.
Asshole.
We're so nice.
The world will see your assholeness.
We're so unprofessional.
Prick. The camera scares people. Come on, truck with big tires. Come on. Dick. Yeah. Come on, honk your horns. You're making the video lame.
Man, I bet if we turn the camera off, there'll be more honking.
Yeah, we're going to turn the camera off because people are obviously afraid. We'll try these 2 last cars. Okay. Okay, this van and that car. Last ones. Come on, honk your horn.
Honk your horn.
Man, you all suck. Okay, camera's going off. Say bye.
Bye.
You're
Goodbye.
mine. Shh.